You ever see traders online saying they're funded by a prop firm and wonder what that actually means? Let's clear it up. In this video, I'll break down what a prop firm is in Forex trading, how traders make money, the rules you need to follow, the pros and the cons, and which I think is the best prop firm for Forex traders right now. Let's make this simple. What exactly is a prop firm? A prop firm, short for proprietary trading firm, is a company that lets you trade their money instead of you risking your own. You take an evaluation, which is also called a challenge, to prove that you can trade profitably and manage risk. If you pass, the prop firm gives you a funded Forex account, sometimes 10K, 50K, or even 200K plus, depending on which challenge you purchase. When you make profits, you keep the majority, usually 70 to 90%, and the firm keeps the rest. So basically, you trade their capital, follow their rules, and both of you win when you perform well. How do you make money? Well, how do traders actually make money with prop firms? It's pretty simple. You pay a small entry fee to join the evaluation. Step 2, you trade within the firm's rules and limits. Step 3, you hit the profit target without breaking those rules. Step 4, you get a funded Forex account. Step 5, you trade real capital, and when you make profits, you withdraw your share on payout days. Now, here's where it gets interesting: the profit split. Most prop firms actually let you keep 70 to 90% of what you earn. So, for example, if you make $5,000 and your firm offers an 80-20 split, you'd keep $4,000 and the firm would keep 1,000. Withdrawals are usually sent out on set payout dates, often every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on the firm. Some even offer instant payouts when you're consistent, meaning you can request payouts at any given moment. The best part, you're trading their money, not yours, and still getting the majority of the reward. It's one of the smartest ways to trade big and grow fast without needing a huge personal account. Now, what are the rules? Let's talk about them, because every prop firm does have them. These rules exist to protect the firm's money and make sure you're trading with discipline. Here are the most common ones and what they mean. Daily drawdown limit. This is the maximum amount you can lose in a single day, usually around 5%. It keeps you from blowing your account in one bad session. Overall drawdown limit. This is your total loss cap, often 8 to 10%. If your balance drops below that, your account gets terminated. Profit target. You'll need to hit a set percentage, usually around 8 to 10%, to pass the challenge and qualify for funding. No over leveraging. This means you can't open massive positions that risk the whole account. Minimum trading days. Most firms require you to trade for at least 5 to 10 active days. That way, they can see consistent performance, news, or weekend rules. Some firms don't allow trading during high impact news events or holding trades over weekends because markets can gap and cause huge losses. Consistency rules. These make sure your profits come from steady performance, not one big win. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons. Some of the pros include no personal capital risk, access to larger accounts and higher profit potential. It develops discipline and consistency. You have the opportunity for scalable funding as you improve. Educational tools and communities for growth. Some of the cons: you have to pay for the evaluations. One mistake can end your account. Trading under strict rules can be mentally tough. Consistency rules can limit your flexibility. Payout timing. Some firms take days or a week to pay profits. Now let's talk about why prop trading is great for beginners. Because it gives you real world trading experience without putting your life savings on the line. You learn risk management, patience, and emotional control, all while trading with firm capital. It helps you treat trading like a business and not a gamble. You can test and refine your strategy in a professional setup under real market conditions, and that kind of experience is priceless when you're just starting out. You build confidence by proving you can pass a challenge. You gain accountability. Those rules force you to trade smart and not impulsively. And here's another big one: you build consistency faster. Because you're working with a structured system, it trains you to follow a plan and respect your limits. Two things that most beginners struggle with. Prop firms also give you a clearer roadmap for growth. Instead of grinding a $200 personal account for months, you could be managing 50K or 100K, scaling up as you improve. And when you start earning payouts from a funded account, that's the first time it truly feels like trading is a real career, not just a hobby. It's easily one of the best ways to grow, learn discipline, and get rewarded for your skill, even if you're just starting out. Now, let's talk about my recommended prop firm, Ola Prime. Some firms take days to pay profits, but Ola Prime is the first prop firm to pay traders in 1 hour or less. This is huge. With NBA All Star Carl Anthony Towns on board as an ambassador, Ola Prime is changing what it means to be a prop firm. They're built on three core principles: speed, transparency, and trader development. They were the first prop firm to process payouts in under 1 hour, the first to offer one on one coaching to funded traders, and the first to publish price transparency reports, which are tick by tick comparisons of their price feed against trusted benchmarks like TradingView, XNES, FXCM, and Dukas Copy. That means what you see is exactly what the market is doing. No hidden markups, no shady spreads, just raw market accuracy. They've been mentioned in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, and other major publications. Going back to prop firm rules we discussed earlier, Ola Prime offers fair rules for all of their challenges, requiring less trading days than most, allowing trades to be held through news, the weekend, and overnight with their Prime Challenge accounts. They have a more forgiving consistency rule, achievable targets, and fair drawdown requirements. And as you grow, Ola Prime grows with you, offering scaling plans that increase your funding as you perform. So if you prove consistency, your account size can literally double without starting another challenge. You can get 30% off already affordable challenge accounts by using code EDDIE30 or clicking the link in the description of this video.